初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I don't feel very well.
I don't feel very well.
我感觉不太舒服。
I don't feel very well.
I don't feel very well.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
我喉咙痛。
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
My head really hurts.
My head really hurts.
我头很疼。
My head really hurts.
My head really hurts.
I'm coughing a lot.
I'm coughing a lot.
我咳嗽得很厉害。
I'm coughing a lot.
I'm coughing a lot.
I have a runny nose.
I have a runny nose.
我流鼻涕。
I have a runny nose.
I have a runny nose.
My stomach feels bad.
My stomach feels bad.
我胃不舒服。
My stomach feels bad.
My stomach feels bad.
I feel dizzy today.
I feel dizzy today.
我今天感到头晕。
I feel dizzy today.
I feel dizzy today.
I have body aches.
I have body aches.
我全身酸痛。
I have body aches.
I have body aches.
I think I have fever.
I think I have fever.
我想我发烧了。
I think I have fever.
I think I have fever.
Do you have cold medicine?
Do you have cold medicine?
你们有感冒药吗？
Do you have cold medicine?
Do you have cold medicine?
I need something for pain.
I need something for pain.
我需要止痛药。
I need something for pain.
I need something for pain.
Is this for children?
Is this for children?
这是给儿童用的吗？
Is this for children?
Is this for children?
I want allergy pills.
I want allergy pills.
我想要抗过敏药片。
I want allergy pills.
I want allergy pills.
Can I take this daily?
Can I take this daily?
我可以每天服用这个吗？
Can I take this daily?
Can I take this daily?
Is this safe with food?
Is this safe with food?
这个和食物一起服用安全吗？
Is this safe with food?
Is this safe with food?
Can I drink water after?
Can I drink water after?
服用后可以喝水吗？
Can I drink water after?
Can I drink water after?
Is this tablet or syrup?
Is this tablet or syrup?
这是药片还是糖浆？
Is this tablet or syrup?
Is this tablet or syrup?
What is the dosage here?
What is the dosage here?
这里的剂量是多少？
What is the dosage here?
What is the dosage here?
Can I take 2 tablets?
Can I take 2 tablets?
我可以服用2片吗？
Can I take 2 tablets?
Can I take 2 tablets?
Is this prescription only?
Is this prescription only?
这个需要处方吗？
Is this prescription only?
Is this prescription only?
How much is this one?
How much is this one?
这个多少钱？
How much is this one?
How much is this one?
Do you have anything cheaper?
Do you have anything cheaper?
你们有更便宜的吗？
Do you have anything cheaper?
Do you have anything cheaper?
Are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
有什么副作用吗？
Are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
Will it make me sleepy?
Will it make me sleepy?
它会让我犯困吗？
Will it make me sleepy?
Will it make me sleepy?
Is this sugar-free?
Is this sugar-free?
这个是无糖的吗？
Is this sugar-free?
Is this sugar-free?
What ingredients are inside?
What ingredients are inside?
里面有什么成分？
What ingredients are inside?
What ingredients are inside?
Is this brand reliable?
Is this brand reliable?
这个品牌可靠吗？
Is this brand reliable?
Is this brand reliable?
I'm allergic to aspirin.
I'm allergic to aspirin.
我对阿司匹林过敏。
I'm allergic to aspirin.
I'm allergic to aspirin.
Does it work fast?
Does it work fast?
它见效快吗？
Does it work fast?
Does it work fast?
I don't want drowsiness.
I don't want drowsiness.
我不想犯困。
I don't want drowsiness.
I don't want drowsiness.
Can I use my card?
Can I use my card?
我可以用卡支付吗？
Can I use my card?
Can I use my card?
Do you take insurance here?
Do you take insurance here?
你们这里接受保险吗？
Do you take insurance here?
Do you take insurance here?
Is this covered by my plan?
Is this covered by my plan?
这个在我的保险范围内吗？
Is this covered by my plan?
Is this covered by my plan?
I lost my prescription.
I lost my prescription.
我弄丢了处方。
I lost my prescription.
I lost my prescription.
Can I talk to the pharmacist?
Can I talk to the pharmacist?
我可以和药剂师谈谈吗？
Can I talk to the pharmacist?
Can I talk to the pharmacist?
I need help reading this.
I need help reading this.
我需要帮忙看看这个。
I need help reading this.
I need help reading this.
Where is the first aid aisle?
Where is the first aid aisle?
急救用品区在哪里？
Where is the first aid aisle?
Where is the first aid aisle?
I also need band-aids.
I also need band-aids.
我还需要创可贴。
I also need band-aids.
I also need band-aids.
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
请给我收据。
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
Thank you. I feel better.
Thank you. I feel better.
谢谢，我感觉好多了。
Thank you. I feel better.
Thank you. I feel better.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。